Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher door gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door gasket. The door gasket seals the dishwasher door. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the door gasket. It's just pressed into a channel around the tub. So all we have to do is reach in and pull it out. Once you have it started, you can pull it out the rest of the way. Once you have it all the way out, we can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the new gasket in, there's no point that marks the center. So we're just going to match up the ends and then find the center point. And then when you put it in, you want to make sure the center point lines up with directly underneath the latch. And when you put the gasket in, there is actually a little bit of a lip on it that you want to make sure that this is pointing into the tub so you don't put it on the wrong way. Just make sure that the gasket center is right underneath the latch center, and then we can push it into the groove. Once you have it in, you just want to go around once more and just make sure that it's seated all the way into the groove. You don't want to have any leaks. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.